our class of English speaking is going on, and yesterday we had a first class and we studied about simple present tense. In simple present tense we got to know about how to use it, what are the uses of simple present tense, and yesterday I try to give you the full information about simple present tense, and today we are going to start a new lesson, and that will be the second tense. And the second tense, you know that it is present continuous tense. So before starting our today's present continuous tense, I am going to give you some negative and verbal of simple affirmative. What is negative and what is verbal? The sentence not having the sense of negativeness, that is called affirmative. If there is a sense of negative, there is a sense of no, so this sentence is called negative sentence. And if the yes no type question is asked, it is called verbal and yes no type question. So let's begin to know about it. We were learning about simple present tense. You know everything about it, only I am going to give you its affirmative, its negative and its verbal. I am teaching you how to make the negative and verbal of simple present tense. Here I am writing, you run fast. You run fast. तुम तेज दौड़ते हो. You run fast. We have to make the negative of this sentence. So how we will turn it into negative? So you should know that while we are talking about simple present tense, there are two helping verb of simple present tense, and these are do, does. Do and does. So here we will make using helping verb this sentence negative. Sometimes what happens, we make this sentence negative directly. You not run fast. You not run fast. That is incorrect. That is wrong sentence, because we cannot use not directly in the sentence. We will use not with helping verb, and there is a two helping verb in simple present tense, and these are do and does. So using any one of helping verb from these two, we have to make this sentence negative. So while we are talking about if the sentence, if the pronoun is plural in the sentence, so we will have to use do in it. For example, you do not. You do not run fast. You do not run fast. This sentence is affirmative and this sentence is negative, because there is a sense of positiveness in this sentence. This sentence is positive because there is not a sense of no. If you will read the second sentence, there is a sense of no in this sentence. Do not, not. If no, none, never, nothing, these kind of words are used in the sentence, then the sentence will be negative. So we got to know how to make the sentences negative from affirmative. And the third one is verbal. How to make a sentence verbal? When we turn an affirmative sentence into verbal, what we do? Here is a sentence, you run fast. You only have to do one thing. You have to use helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. As you start to make the sentence verbal, there should be an helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. For example, you run fast. You run fast. So tell me, there is a pronoun. Is this pronoun singular and plural? So I just told you that this you is plural, so we will have to use do here. And I told you when we turn the sentence into verbal, at the beginning of the sentence a helping verb should be used. Okay, so do, and the whole sentence should be written same. Do you run fast? Do you run fast? And there will be question mark, because this is question. This is interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence we use क्वेश्चन मार्क एट द एंड ऑफ इट. सो डू यू रन फास्ट, क्या आप तेज दौड़ते हो? डू यू रन फास्ट. सो देयर विल बी द आंसर ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस इन यस एंड नो. यस आई रन फास्ट. नो आई डोंट रन फास्ट. यस आई रन फास्ट. नो I don't run fast. So here is a you don't run fast. So have you got it clearly how to make affirmative into negative and verbal? So we got to know about the use of do. How to use does. If there is a sentence, he runs fast. He runs fast. So there is a simple way. If there is a singular and there is a s, es, is with verb, so you will have to use he does not run fast. He does not run fast. So he runs fast. He does not run fast. So if the pronoun is singular in the sentence, so we will have to use does. If you have used does in the sentence, no need to add as with verb, because if there is a does in the sentence, so here is no need to use as with a verb. Okay, already in does as has been used. So he runs fast, he does not run fast. Now we have to form the verbal of this sentence. So what will be the verbal of this sentence? So as I suggested, use helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. So there should be does he run fast. Does he run fast? Does he run fast? So this is the negative of singulars in simple present tense. He runs fast, he does not run fast. Does he run fast? So if the pronoun is plural in simple present tense, so we will have to use do in negative and verbal. Okay, and if the pronoun is singular in simple present tense, so we will have to use does. Okay, मुझे लगता है शायद आपके समझ में आ गया होगा. तो चलिए हम इसके आगे बढ़ेंगे, लेकिन आज मैं आपको इस पर एक टास्क दे देता हूँ. आपको करना क्या है, काम क्या करना है आपको, यहाँ पर आपको एक सेंटेंस लिखना है. जैसे we go to the market. We go to the market. Okay, you only have to find out the sentences from any book. कोई भी एक बुक से आप सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के सेंटेंसेस निकालिए और उसके निगेटिव बनाइए, निगेटिव और उसके वर्बल बनाइए ऐसे. उसके बाद में सेकंड, उसका निगेटिव और उसका वर्बल. ठीक है, यहाँ पर आपको ऐसे सेंटेंसेस, ऐसी एक्सरसाइज आप घर पर करिए तो ये आपको पता चल जाएगा. ये सीखना क्यों ज़रूरी है. मान लो अगर आप कहते हैं कि मैं सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ, आई वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, लेकिन आपको कहना रहा कि मैं सुबह जल्दी नहीं उठता हूँ, तो ये भी आपको कह के आना चाहिए ना. तो इसके लिए निगेटिव, वर्बल, अफर्मेटिव सब आना ज़रूरी है. तो मैंने इसीलिए ये क्लियर किया है कि आपको इसके निगेटिव और वर्बल भी आ जाए. तो इस टाइप से आपको घर पर प्रैक्टिस करना है. ओके, वर्बली आप करिए, रिटर्न में आप करिए, लेकिन आपको इसका प्रैक्टिस करना है. ओके.